Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is episode 5 of my ballroom garland series. Review our old video. I show you the material to make the ballroom garland and 3 ways to make the garland. If you are interested, click here for the old video or you can find the link on the description. On this video, I will use the favorite method to make the ballroom garland and use that garland to make a backdrop setting. Okay, now let's get it started. Okay, first of all, let's pick 2 ballroom garland and wrap them together. Actually, I like to use the method 2 to make the ballroom garland. So let's use that method to make the garland again. Okay, so I combine 2 ballroom to make the small part like this for all the ballroom. And then take the thread and take 1 ballroom and take 1 ballroom set to tie them. Tie 2 knots on the ballroom. Okay, and then step the ballroom 1 by 1. Look. I like this method to make the ballroom garland. It doesn't mean this is the best way to make the garland. Okay, remember, step them tightly. Press the ballroom set. This is very important. And wrap it tightly. And for your information, I like to use the thread to make the ballroom garland instead of this long ballroom because this long ballroom is elastic. So actually it's much more easy to make the ballroom garland compared with the thread. But since this long ballroom is elastic, so sometimes it could drag the ballroom to the place not expected. So you need to use more ballroom to make the long garland. So I like to use the thread instead of the ballroom. But actually, this ballroom, long ballroom is good. Okay, then I will put on all the ballroom to make the garland and show you the effect. Okay, the basic garland was completed. Later, we will use it to decorate the backdrop. Okay, first of all, let's set up the backdrop. And then let's use a white fabric and then put on 2 sides of the backdrop. Will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, the backdrop was set up. And now, let's tie the ballroom garland onto the backdrop. Holding a garland, we can use this clip. Tie a long ballroom on the clip and clamp on the stand. That will be okay. And then take our ballroom garland. Look, get this long ballroom and wrap on the ballroom close to the clip. So we will pick this ballroom. Just wrap. Just red on it. Red several round on it. And then release. You don't even tie any knot. Okay, I will tie the rest of the garland and show you the whole effect. This is the effect after I tie the basis garland on the backdrop. And now let's put on the large ballroom. Putting on the large ballroom will be very simple. Just use the rubber band, or you can use the long ballroom. Okay, and then put on a ballroom. That will be okay. Okay, completed. And also, I want it to be large, so I tie another ballroom on it. Normally, this ballroom should be stick onto the floor. You can use the ballroom group to stick the ballroom on the floor. But anyway, let's go ahead. And then we need to use some small 5-inch ballroom to fill the gap, like this place and this place. The come out will be much more pretty. The same, using the long ballroom and or the rubber band. Okay, let's put other large ballroom and small ballroom, and then I will show you the whole effect. Okay, completed with the garland. Look. If we use much more ballroom to make it larger on the bottom, the come out will be pretty, but I don't have enough time to do that. Okay then, let's go on. Let's blow 3 of the ballroom and put on this side. Okay, this is the effect after I put some ballroom on this side. At the beginning, I tried to blow 3 larger ballroom, 3 color, gold, rose pink, and pink to match this side, but I just try to use the rest of my ballroom to make it. Okay, now let's put on the pedestal. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, I put on 3 of the pedestal and the cake and put some flower arrangement to get the effect like this. About how to make the flower arrangement, you can check my old tutorial. In fact, if you are interested, you can watch all the video on my channel. You will get a lot of inspiration. Okay, now in the middle, you can make a side and hand on display. But since I don't have any side, so I will put this small left side. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. And also, let's zoom in for the detail. Look, For your information, we supply almost all the material used on the video, include the leaf, the flowers, the pedestal, and the plane. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the description. Okay, this is a ballroom. This ballroom used many times, so the color was changed a little. Okay, this is the whole effect. Let's check it from top and from bottom. This is the whole effect. To make the side larger, you don't have to make the LED side. Any side, make it larger. The come out will be much more pretty. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by like, share, and not skip the app as supporting. Thank you for your watching. Bye.